And this is from Amethi. Now, the Congress party has claimed that vehicles which were parked outside the Congress office in Amethi were vandalized and the police remained a silent spectator. The Congress party has also alleged that the BJP workers continued with their hooliganism outside the Congress Amethi office. Now, remember, Priyanka Gandhi is also in Amethi till 18th May, but Congress party has now alleged that the cars which were parked outside the Congress party office in Amethi were vandalized allegedly by BJP workers. This is the allegation coming in from the Congress party. In fact, the Congress party also claims that the police remained a silent spectator when all this was going on. The attack was taking place outside the Congress party's office in Amethi. So this breaking news coming in from Amethi, where the Congress party has now claimed that the BJP workers attacked the cars which were parked outside the Congress party's office in Amethi. In fact, the Congress party is also claiming that the police did not take any action. In fact, they were just mute spectators while the whole incident was taking place. The vandalism was taking place. This is what the Congress party claims. And it is pertinent to note that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also in Amethi. She will be in Amethi till 18th May for campaigning over there. But this incident coming to the fore from Amethi, where the Congress party has alleged that BJP workers continued their hooliganism and vandalized the cars which were parked outside the Congress party's office in Amethi. Remember, it's a battle between the BJP and the Congress in this Lok Sabha elections in Amethi. It is Smriti Irani versus Congress party's KL Sharma. But this news coming in that the Congress party has now claimed that the BJP workers vandalized the cars which were parked outside the Congress office in Amethi. In fact, Congress party is also saying that the police did not take any action. In fact, they were just mute spectators while the whole incident was taking place. And it is also pertinent to note that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also in Amethi for campaigning purpose, and she will be in Amethi till 18th May. But this incident is coming to the fore from Amethi that the Congress is alleging that the BJP workers vandalized and attacked the vehicles which were parked outside the Congress party's office in Amethi. Remember, in Amethi, it's a battle between BJP's Smriti Irani versus Congress party's KL Sharma. Earlier, there were speculations that Rahul Gandhi could contest from Amethi, but Rahul Gandhi is now contesting from Raebareli, whereas KL Sharma will be taking on Smriti Irani from Amethi. But amid all that, there's news coming in from Amethi, where the Congress party is alleging that there was an attack allegedly by BJP workers on the cars which were parked outside the Congress party's office in Amethi. And it is also pertinent to note that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also in Amethi and she will be there till 18th May for campaigning for KL Sharma in Amethi, who will be taking on Smriti Irani. But Congress party is now alleging that this attack is done by the BJP workers, and they've also claimed that the police were mute spectators while this was going on. Our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is now joining us on the story to give us more details about this whole incident. Pallavi, over to you.
See, Anjali, if you can see those pictures which very clearly show that certain cars have been vandalized, and the Congress's claim is that this has been done by the BJP. Now, this is going to be very interesting, and it's going to snowball into a huge political controversy, because from today onwards till the 18th, Priyanka is going to spend a lot of time campaigning both for her brother as well as for the Amethi candidate KL Sharma. She will be in Amethi and Raebareli, and in Amethi, she's going to certainly take on Smriti Irani and accuse her of this. Failing law and order, trying to silence their political opponents. See, many thought that KL Sharma was a bit of a damn squib, but the Congress's claim has been that he's an insider close to the family and he knows Amethi in and out, and therefore to write him off is absolutely incorrect. And now Priyanka's next few days, which means that she's giving up campaigning in other parts of the country and focusing on these two constituencies, shows that she means business. The Congress means business. These pictures, these allegations are now going to be used by her. So it will not take too long for her to begin attacking the BJP and also accuse Smriti Irani of being nervous and therefore trying to silence the Congress party.
Also, Pallavi, are there any reports of injuries due to this whole incident?
See, frankly speaking, we are still getting some more details. But what sources are telling us is that as of now, there's no reported injury. This happened late into the night. But if you look at that area where I have been to, the Amethi Congress office, is in a little crowded area. So there are lots of shops. So thankfully, it didn't happen at a time when there were too many people around. According to the Congress party, this was specific targeting of the Congress vehicles and an attempt to attack the party workers only because they want to arm twist them into silencing and also so that they don't go out and campaign for Kishorilal Sharma.
Another claim that is coming in from the Congress party side is that the police remained a mute spectator.
Well, as I said, I mean, that's also a crowded area. And then, of course, because it's a party office, the election times. So there are cops who are very much on duty. The Congress's claim will also have to be substantiated. Is this really true, or was the Congress party's claim wrong? But certainly Supriya Shrineni and the Congress have made the claim that the police was standing by, the administration did nothing.
All right, Pallavi, please stay with us. We're now being joined by BJP's Rakesh Tripathi on this story. Tripathi जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी का कहना है कि बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने उनकी कुछ गाड़ियों पे, जो कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑफिस जो अमेठी में उसके बाहर जो खड़ी थी, उस पे हमला करा है। इस पे आपका क्या रिएक्शन होगा?
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी के डर्टी ट्रिक्स डिपार्टमेंट का एक नया हथकंडा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी जान रही है कि अमेठी का चुनाव वो किसी भी स्थिति में जीत नहीं सकती है, तो इसलिए सहानुभूति की लहर पर सवार होना चाहती है। जानबूझ करके इस प्रकार की घटनाओं में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का नाम ले रही है ताकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ रोष उत्पन्न हो और उसको राजनीतिक लाभ मिले। लेकिन ऐसे अपने हथकंडे अपना करके भी वो सफल नहीं होने वाले हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी जानती है कि अमेठी की हालत बहुत खराब है। इसी वजह से आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के युवराज राहुल गांधी पार्टी वहां से अपना उम्मीदवारी छोड़ करके रायबरेली चले गए हैं और अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं। हम अपेक्षा करते हैं केंद्रीय चुनाव आयोग से और हम मांग करते हैं कि केंद्रीय चुनाव आयोग इस मामले में कठोरता से कार्रवाई करे, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करे और जिन लोगों ने भी इस प्रकार का कृत्य किया है उनको जेल सलाखों के पीछे भेजने का काम करे। उनके खिलाफ कठोरता से एक्शन होना चाहिए। हम लोकतंत्र के इस उत्सव में हिंसा का कोई स्थान नहीं देखते हैं और हम पूरे विश्वास के साथ हैं कि पिछले 10 वर्षों में जो मोदी जी ने काम किया है, पिछले 7 वर्षों में उत्तर प्रदेश की योगी आदित्यनाथ सरकार ने जो काम किया है और पिछले 5 वर्षों में स्मृति जी ने सांसद के तौर पर जिस तरह से अमेठी को सजाया है, संवारा है, अमेठी की जनता आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ खड़ी है। डेस्परेशन में कांग्रेस है, अवसाद में कांग्रेस है, इसलिए इस प्रकार के हथकंडे अपनाने का काम कर रही है और ये लोकतंत्र में बिल्कुल शुभ रही है।
लेकिन राकेश त्रिपाठी जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी का कहना है कि बीजेपी को हार का डर सता रहा है, वो बौखलाई हुई है और इस वजह से उन्होंने ये हमला किया।
देखिए, राहुल गांधी क्यों सीट छोड़ करके गए हैं, इस बात का अभी तक उनके पास जवाब नहीं है। कांग्रेस पार्टी का कोई कार्यकर्ता चुनाव लड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं हो पाया, कोई नेता लड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं हो पाया, तो इसलिए उन्होंने अपने परिवार के एक विशेष कृपा पात्र व्यक्ति को वहां चुनाव लड़ाने का काम किया है। सच बात यह है कि आज कोई राजनीतिक नेता लड़ने के लिए वहां तैयार नहीं हो पा रहा है और ऐसी अवस्था में वो हम पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं। अमेठी का चुनाव इस बार हम लाखों वोटों के अंतर से जीतने जा रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक बहुत बड़ी मेजोरिटी के साथ वहां चुनाव जीत रही है। इस हताशा और निराशा में कांग्रेस पार्टी किसी भी स्तर पर जाने को तैयार है।
जी, राकेश त्रिपाठी जी, आपका CNN News 18 से बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Going back to our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi, so the BJP claims that they have rubbished all these allegations by the Congress and they claim that Congress party now wants sympathy votes as they are losing the Amethi battle.
You know, Anjali, the day the Congress announced KL Sharma, who is, as we all know, used to manage the affairs in both Amethi as well as Raebareli, the BJP has already attached that tag to Rahul Gandhi that he has run away. That first of all, he did not have the courage to contest from Amethi and he was scared of Smriti Irani, and now he's brought his sister in, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, to contest, to campaign. The question which, of course, the BJP will also raise is that if she is going to give up on campaigning across the country and park herself there till 18, then what was stopping her from contesting herself? So the accusation again, which has come in on Rahul Gandhi and the Congress, is that they don't want Priyanka to fight. That's one narrative which is going to be pushed. Of course, the BJP is going to play down KL Sharma, but equally the Congress is going to play him up and also project him as a person who is not an outsider. He is not like Smriti Irani. He knows what Amethi is all about. And he has the complete support and backing of the Gandhi family. And therefore, in a sense, he's a representative of them. And that is exactly what she's going to keep on saying.
All right, Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We're now being joined by Congress